Welcome back to Instables, everyone. It looks like TKAT had a major breakout today, up over 50% on the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue, which indicators we're looking out for on a possible continuation, and what exactly has to happen for us to continue to break out like we have been. Again, we had a 50% breakout today. We had a 40% breakout yesterday. We're looking to see if we can continue with this momentum. I'm going to show you guys exactly what would have to happen for us to continue with this momentum, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over TKAT with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I want to show you guys exactly what happened today and what exactly we're looking out for as a possible continuation. Again, we have been on quite the run the last couple of days. I'm going to show you guys what we're looking out for going into tomorrow. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts of the day. I want to go over exactly which penny stocks we had major breakouts on today. We had RGC over 100% breakout today from $23.70 from pre-market, jumping up to $60 on the day. We mentioned TKAT this morning at $7.37, jumping all the way up to $12.50 on the day. And we mentioned ADTX in pre-market at $2.65, jumping all the way up to $4 on the day on a major breakout. Again, we had major breakouts all throughout the week. So if you guys want to see all of these penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here, we do need to make sure we can continue here on TKAT. Again, we did alert this one around $7.37 all the way down here on this small spike that we saw. And then we had a continuation on volume, and then we had another continuation of volume, which we also did alert on that second round up. But again, as you guys can see, we did bounce off the 20-day moving average, and we did have that second round. And as you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can consolidate here on the 50-day moving average and continue on up. I do like how the 20-day moving average is still above the 50. And again, NFT stocks have been getting a lot of volume, and in my opinion, TKAT has been the leader of all of these NFT stocks. So that's why I want to go over TKAT with you guys. But however, as you guys can see, going 6 extended hours, we are coming down and we are testing below this 50-day moving average. We still have the 20-day moving average above the 50, showing us that we could continue. So again, we're still in the waters for possible continuation, but I'm going to back up to the 4 hour so you guys can see what we are looking out for overall and exactly which levels we're looking out for on this continuation. So as you guys can see here on the 4 hour, we did mention previously these very two key resistances. We mentioned one here at $17, and then we mentioned the next one here at $29. Breaking over $30 will be very key for us here on TKAT. Again, TKAT previously got a halt here at $17.50 and had a continuation breakout from then on that halt all the way up to $70 on that day on TKAT. I remember that day specifically, and I will never actually forget that day. It was a crazy day. But again, TKAT, again, we have volume that has been coming in. As you guys can see, compared to our previous volume, we are looking to see if we can increase in volume to possibly continue on and get past our previous volume point that we saw on this major breakout to get more confirmation on this move. But however, we have a lot of volume that has been coming in recently. We may have a continuation and possibly break into the $17 mark and get rejected at this point. As again, we did have a continuation sell off at this point, and we could have a reversal here. And as you guys can see on the 4 hour, we have the 20-day moving average, again, crossing or getting very close to crossing the 50-day moving average. And if we do cross above it, in my opinion, going into tomorrow, then we could have a bounce and possibly bounce off the 20-day moving average and continue on up like we have been previously in this chart. As you guys can see previously, we had the same thing happen. We came down, we bounced off the 20-day moving average and had that major breakout. We're looking for the same thing to happen here on the short-term play. So I'm going to go over the MACD with you guys here so you guys can see we need to make sure we can break above our previous buy pressure points. As you guys can see, we did set alerts in our video yesterday above our previous buy pressure points, looking to see if we can continue and have a major breakout. As you guys can see, we are increasing in buy pressure today, and that is why we are getting that bullish momentum. As you guys can see, previously we had the EMA lines holding above the MACD and curled up right next to this large buy pressure point that we see here. So if we have the same thing happen tomorrow, again, if we do have the EMA lines continue on up and continue to break above our MACD and continue to break above our previous MACD point, as you guys can see here on these alerts that we set, then we could have a continuation. But as you guys can see, we need these EMA lines to continue on up and continue on past this MACD, so that way we can get a very volatile breakout here on TKAT. So again, TKAT definitely on the watch. We're going to see what happens going into pre-market, but again, we're going to be looking to see if we can get some volume coming in tomorrow, and if we do get volume again, we will be alerting this one just like we did yesterday and we did today. And again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.